Hey guys, David here. I've finally been able to start working on my BB-8 again, so I just got everything put together and I thought I'd give a little update. Here is where I'm currently at. This is my drive system that will be inside BB-8. You can see I have a dual servo 360 head tilt, which I'll talk more about. I have two large 7 amp hour sealed lead acid batteries, and I have weights underneath there. It's going to be about a total of 18 pounds of counterweight. Right now I just have it temporarily wired up, but you can see the power goes to my remote start, which is right there, and then out of there it outputs to my motor controller and also to this power converter, which takes my 12 volts and turns it into 7 volts, which then go and power the servos. So this is what it looks like. You can see the halfway mark is here, so all my weight, all my 18 pounds is very low in the sphere, so it will self-stabilize pretty well, but I do have some extra things that are going to help it stabilize and reduce wobble. But I'll give you a quick view of how everything runs. Let me just put this down. Okay, so if I turn on my remote start, that powers everything up. You can see with the head tilt I can go forward, back, left, right. Let me do this. I'm go in circles. And then basically all of my head tilting is on my left stick, and then all of the drive is in my right. So forward, back, and obviously I can turn on the spot. That's about it. I'm almost to the point where I'm going to put him inside BB-8 and give him a real test run. Right now I'm getting the magnets put into the BBM and DMM. So I'll share more once I do the first test drive.